guys. I am whispering right now because it's Valentine's Day and I woke up very early to shower and get dressed. Zach is still sleeping. I think he's awake now actually, because obviously our shower is in the bedroom. So he woke up, he came to the bathroom. He's like, why are you up so early? I woke up at 7. I was hoping that he's gonna stay asleep until I'm done preparing for Valentine's Day. So I'm gonna make one of his favorite breakfasts. The plan was for him to come down here with like the breakfast ready, but I hear him moving around there. And I'm not gonna show you guys when I'm making the food, but I'm making a egg benedict. So I'll show you guys when I'm done cooking. I can't show you guys because I'm gonna be in a little red number while I'm cooking. So you see that? That's what I'll be wearing. So yes, he's coming downstairs. Why? It's fine, he's gonna take Leon out. So while he's taking Leon out, I'm gonna quickly get into my outfit or like take this gown off, you know. Yes, I'll show you guys the food though when I'm done. So guys, Zach almost caught on because he was hugging me and he was just like rubbing my back, and he almost took my gown off because he was like, what's under there? But I had to quickly stop him. So I'm making egg benedicts, but I'm gonna be using bagels instead of a English muffin. This is the bagel I'm using. It's high in protein, 12 grams of protein. And also this is the second time I make an egg benedict for him. The first time I did use an English muffin, and I thought that's what I was going to use this time around as well. But since it was snowing yesterday, I couldn't drive and go to the stores. So I searched online and it seems like people do egg benedicts on bagels. So hopefully it comes out nice, but obviously I'll show you guys. And I am using smoked salmon because that's what we had. I'm using smoked salmon. However, I also do have bacon. Maybe by the time he comes back, I'll ask him if he prefers smoked salmon or bacon. And if he wants bacon, I'll just do bacon for him, and then I'll have smoked salmon for myself. Then I'm gonna poach my eggs and make the hollandaise sauce and add avocado as well. I'm so sorry I can't show you guys today, but I'll try and do this again a different day, and then I'll show you guys how to make the hollandaise sauce, which is like probably the most tricky part about making an egg benedict. There you go. Oh, even Leon got shocked. Okay guys, we are off to our Valentine's dinner date. Sana. My outfit is not the cutest outfit. It's just okay. It is cold out there and we actually walking to our date. I'm gonna wear this big ass jacket. And I bought this jacket for the snow when I used to live in Denver. It is nice and warm inside. Can you guys see that? Nice and warm. Even that part, it's nice and cozy. So that's what I'm wearing, and I have my snow boots. Probably need to grab our gloves, babe.
It's not that cold outside.
It's not that cold?
It's 39. Let's get it cold.
I think I still want to wear my gloves.
Okay, you know this.
What if it gets cold when we're walking back?
I put my hands in my pocket.
You? For Zach, you're a white person, you can tolerate the cold. So, me on the other hand, I'm a girl from Africa. I'm gonna put on this Fenty Skin Lip Dior. I actually got this from Zach's mom for Christmas. It was one of my stocking stuffers. And I really like this. I've tried it once before, and when I tell you, Rihanna did a thing with this. So it has this plush pudding, and I saw the girlies on TikTok. They first apply the plush pudding first, right? And the plush pudding is like thick, but it's not too thick. And then you finish off. And then you finish off with the lip oil, just to give it that like glowy look. Can you guys see the difference it does? Now my lips look juicy. Yes. I am not applying any makeup. I'm probably just going to carry this in my purse. I'm not applying any makeup. And our reservation is at, we have 10 minutes to get there. Also 10 minutes walk, but we have 15 minutes. So let's get going. Okay, baby, let's go.
Your wallet?
Yeah, it's in my purse. So guys, we decided that we should walk because we did not want to risk driving in the snow.
You what?
Are you trying to come in? You know. Let's go. Yeah. Besimvulele ke ugirl. Do you think he's looking for her keys?
I don't know.
Like we tried opening for her.
Well, I mean, we walked right past her. How did you not see us? Is that oblivious?
I don't understand.
I could have took her purse and she would never notice.
The streets are actually clear.
I said that.
It's only at the apartment where it's still very icy. It's actually risky to walk than to drive at this point, because I feel like I'm sliding right here. Some parts are melted, but some parts are very like much icy. So I think it's risky to walk. You have to be super careful because you can slide, slip, and break a leg. But it's so beautiful. I really like how beautiful snow makes the place look. Don't you think so, babe?
Mm-hmm.
I'm actually not even wearing the gloves. I'll probably need them on our way back though. What did you guys get up to for Valentine's Day? What did you get from your people? Or do you celebrate Valentine's or do you not celebrate Valentine's? Baby, what do you think of the whole Valentine's idea?
I don't know, my brother. Fine.
Do you like celebrating it? You don't care for it?
Man.
You just do it because you have a wife?
Huh?
Oh, wow. Okay guys, we will see you at the restaurant. It's actually getting very noisy now because we're approaching the main road. Good morning guys. It is a Monday morning. I'm actually driving, so I won't be able to look at you guys in the eyes all the time. But this is day 1 of 4 of my work schedule. I am on call, meaning that I could be assigned a trip or airport standby, which this morning I woke up and I got assigned airport standby at 12:15 until 5:15. So our airport standby is 5 hours. Yeah, so when I do have airport standby, I pack enough clothes for like the entire block that I have. So today I have 4 days, so it's a 50-50 chance of either being called for a trip today, or I'll just sit the airport standby and then come back home, and then we'll see what happens tomorrow. But also I can try and assign myself a trip if they do have trips available in open time, which they did not have any trips available, so I couldn't assign myself anything. But before that, I have a chiropractor appointment. If you don't know, I was in a car accident about 3 years ago. So my back keeps bothering me. I've done a lot for my back. Like I've done chiropractor, I've done physical therapy, I've done acupuncture, I've done a lot. So this place that I'm going to right now does things a little bit different. They use like Asian medicine, if I'm not mistaken. But I'll tell you guys more about it after the appointment and let you guys know like more details on how it went. But I'm really excited to try something new. Yeah, I'll speak to you guys when I'm done. Guys, that was so painful. The appointment that I just had was so painful, and I think I traumatized the doctor because she was also like, girl, the build up that is happening here, like everything she touched, she would like make sounds as well. Like she's shocked at how my muscles are looking. And so she just said basically that like I'm gonna need to do acupuncture as well. So she did I forgot what the term is, but they use a tense machine, and what the machine does is that it relaxes your muscles and then tightens them again. I think, I don't know if I'm explaining this right, but it also increases blood flow to those tight muscles. She said that my hips are not even because of all the tightness. My right side kind of is shrinking in a way because it's so tight, and it's making my hips to be uneven, and that's why I experience a lot of pain. And I have a lot of knots as well. So she said I need to get acupuncture, and she said but the doctor that does the acupuncture there is a bit tense because she also uses this other tool where they scrape your muscles. I've seen videos where people do that and they scream and it looks so painful. I am so scared, guys. I'm really scared for that one, and I have that on Friday. I'm actually going to insert a video so that you guys can see the scraping that I'm talking about. I've done acupuncture. Acupuncture is like the little needles that they put in your back. That's also painful, but I already know what to expect. And then with the other thing, the scraping thing, I don't even know what it's called. Now that I am really, really, really scared of, because I have seen like grown-ass men screaming doing that. Wish me luck, guys. Wish Morning, friends. I just got called for a turn, meaning that I'm going to Phoenix. So I go to Phoenix, land in Phoenix, deplane, and then I fly right back to Portland. I quickly want to show you guys this suitcase that I got at work. They give us our suitcases for free. I have one like carry-on suitcase and I have this bag that I got, but I wanted something that I can use for a turn. Well, actually there might be a picture here of what I have. So right now I have this suitcase, this one right here, that carry on, and then I also have this small bag, but it's so heavy. And they were giving out these ones. This is a clear picture of my carry-on suitcase. So they were giving out these ones, which I really like. It has whales on it. So in here, I'm good. This is day 3. So I'm good for today and tomorrow. I could get to the airport and they tell me, hey, we've changed your trip. You're actually going to wherever and you're spending the night there. So in here I'm gonna pack my toiletries, then I'm gonna pack pajamas and just essential stuff that I would need if I end up sleeping somewhere. And I like that it has the wheel so I can pull it. The other smaller one is too heavy. Like when you pack your toiletries and everything, and you have to carry it over your shoulder. That was too heavy for me, so I would end up carrying my big suitcase, and I don't even need to like really carry a big suitcase. So this is what I will be using today. So usually take the bus. This is the employee bus driving past me right now, and I park at the employee parking lot. I actually just saw a bus coming in, so I need to rush and find parking. Usually it's very hard to find parking, especially at like busy hours. Like around this time it's busy and the parkings are full. So there's the bus. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's the bus right there. So I need to find parking. Probably, oh, here's parking. Done. Now I have to run to the bus.
632 Blue, correct terminal.
And also ideas that kindly help us take the bag. You can board at this time with this category. Thank you. Moving on with our group DS and delightful file as you approach the door to board. Thank you.
So I'm the first one on the plane, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open all the overhead bins so that by the time my crew gets here, everything is open. And then I need to do my pre-flights. Flights are when you check that all the emergency equipment is fine and safe. the whole aircraft is safe for us to actually take off with this plane. I am working the D position today, meaning that I work the whole aircraft, so I'll be working in the front and at the back.